Hi children, we are meeting again. The last few lessons that we did was on the grade 9 syllabus and lesson number 18, circumference of a circle. Now we have finished with the circumference of a circle and now we are going on to a new lesson, that is the Pythagoras relations, lesson number 19. Now before that, I want to just explain to you that the grade 9 and grade 10 syllabus is very, very important, because the first paper in O-level maths, the first paper, paper 1, is 99% of the sums are on grade 9 and 10. So grade 9 and 10 is going to be very, very important to you. So I hope you will do all the exercises on grade 9 and 10 books. Secondly, I want to tell you that in the second paper, paper 2 also, there are, each sum has about 4 or 5 parts. Now the first 2 parts is on more or less on the grade 9 and 10 syllabus, simple sums. So there also you can get, if you answer all the 10 questions, if you do only the first or 2, the easy parts of the questions, you'll be able to get marks on that. So grade paper 1, you can get very good marks, about 45 marks. And paper 2 also, if you answer all the sums, little from each of the sums, you can get about 20 marks, that means 60 marks. Then that will be coming on to the B. So also you can easily get a B. And another thing I want to remind you is that in paper 2, what the intelligent children, what they will do is, if we study the paper 2 carefully, you will notice that there are some sections which come in every paper. For example, area and volume. Area and volume, in every paper there is a question area and volume. Then there is a graph question. Then there is a construction question, and there is a statistics question. What is statistics? Statistics is on mean, mode, median, and all that. Then we have questions on circle theorems. One question on circle theorems. Then we have one question on trigonometry. Every paper, trigonometry. And we have one equations. And we have one sets. Now all these sections are represented in the paper. So if an intelligent boy, what he'll do is, he'll master all these sections, so that when he gets the paper, he can just attack these sums and then get very good marks on that. So it is very, very easy to get an A in maths, so long if you do it intelligently. Now today we are going on to Pythagoras relations, and before I go on to the subject topic itself, I want to revise the types of triangles. Now we studied that there are 6 types of triangles. 3 types of triangles are according to angles, and 3 types of triangles are according to sides. Now what are the types of triangles according to angles? Acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle. Acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle. Then what are the triangles according to sides? We have the scalene triangle where no sides are equal. We have the isosceles triangle where 2 sides are equal, and equilateral triangle where we have all sides are equal. We have studied before. I hope you remember that. Now Pythagoras theorem is entirely on right angle triangles. Now we will take a right angle triangle. These are right angle triangle. Right angle means one angle is 90 degrees. You can't have 2 angles 90 degrees in a triangle, because angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if this is 90, other 2 angles have to be less than 90. So maybe 60 and 30, whatever it is. So one angle is 90, the other 2 are less than 90. So these are right angles. All the problems on Pythagoras theorem is applying to right angle triangles. So that is one point. Secondly, you must remember the squares. Squares are numbers. Now what is 5 squared? 5 squared means 25. What is 8 squared? Equals 64. What is 10 squared? 10 squared means 10 into 10. That is 10 into 10. 10 into 10 is 100. Like that you must know what it is. You must learn all the squares up to 25. If you can learn up to 25, it will be very useful to you, because we'll be going on doing, we'll be coming in more and more useful about. For example, 19 into 19, sometimes it comes as 19 squared. 19 into 19. One paper in the whole paper came of this 361. Very few people were able to answer that. 361. So 99. Then also you must know that in a square, suppose a square is given. The area of the square is, we'll say, 25 centimeters squared. The area of the square is 25 centimeters. How to find one side? How to find one side? One side means square root of this number. Square root of this number is 25, that is 5. So this is 5. So square root of, you must know how to find square root of numbers. So square root of 25 is 5. So if you want to find the length of one side of the square, you have to find the square root of the number, then it will be that number will be the one side of the square. We'll take another square. Look at this one. The area is 81 centimeters squared. So what is the length of one side? One side will be square root of 81, that will be 9. One shall be 9, this shall be 9. Because 9 times 9 is 81. So 81 is the area of that. So 81, one side will be 9, you have to find the square root. So you should know how to find the square root of numbers. Now for supposing you have a square here, the area is given as 225. So how to find one side? So you must know the square numbers. First I told you, you must learn the square numbers up to at least 25. So 25. So here 225 is equal to 15 squared. 15 into 15. 15 into 15, 225. So one side is equal to 15 meters, or what it is. So children, now we'll come to the right angle triangle. I told you Pythagoras theorem is entirely on the right angle triangle, and we have this right angle triangle, and this is the longest side. That is, side facing the right angle is the longest side of this right angle triangle, and these two sides are the sides containing the right angle. So this side is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. The longest side of the right angle triangle called hypotenuse. The other two sides are the sides containing the right angle. So now, according to Pythagoras theorem, what he has found out is, now if we have right angle triangle, these are hypotenuse, and these are the two sides containing the right angle. So he has found out that if we have a square here, and if we have a square here, supposing this side is 3, this side is 4. So the square area of this square will be 3 3s are 9. Now this is 3, this side is 3, then area of this square will be 9. Same way, if this is 4, these are the 4, the area of this square is 16. So Pythagoras has found out that when you add these two areas, it will be equal to the area on the hypotenuse. So this will be 16 plus 9. So area of this will be 25. So he has found out through experiments and doing research work for a long period, he has found out that when you add the area, the sides containing the right angle, these are two sides containing the right angle, and I have put this as 3 and I have put this as 4. So area of this is 3 into 3, 9. Area of this 4.416. The area of this will be, so area of this square on the hypotenuse is equal to 25. If this is 25, then the one side will be square root of 25, that will be 5. So this is what Pythagoras found out. So we'll take a few more examples like that. Look at this triangle. Here one side will say 2, another side will be 3. So area of this square will be 2 to the 4, and area of this will be 9. So area of this will be 4 plus 9. The area of this square will be 4 plus 9, that is equal to 13 centimeters squared. Area. That is the area of the side contained in the right angle. We'll take another example. Look at this. I'm putting this as 5, I'm putting this as 12. So area of this square will be 12 into 12, 144. Area of this will be 5 by 25. So area of this square on the hypotenuse will be 144 plus 25, that is equal to 169. So 169 is the total area of this square. So if you find, look at it carefully, 169 is a square number, so one side will be equal to 13. So it will be 30 because 13 into 13 is 169. So these are for today, children. I hope you have understood the basic of the Pythagoras theorem. We'll be going on doing some more sums on this. If you have liked the lesson, please subscribe.